This is session 13, Terminator Math. Here's what we have so far. We have the center of the sun, the center of the earth. We have the disk of the earth, which is also known as the ecliptic because we're looking onto the ecliptic plane. And we have the sun-earth ray joining the center of the sun and the center of the earth. The center of the sun, the center of the earth, and the line that joins them all lie on the ecliptic plane. Now it is time for a couple of questions. Let's just turn off, remember we showed you this before, we're going to come into the menu, we're going to go to view, and we'll just turn off the algebra view, but don't forget how to turn it back on because we will definitely need it later. Alright, so we're going to let GeoGebra do some work for us. Going to go into, well, let's move the orbit along a little bit. So we'll start the animation, and then we'll stop the animation. That actually, let's keep over in the first quadrant. All right, so we're going to let GeoGebra do some work. So I'm going to come to this section, which is about lines. I'm going to draw a line. It says select 2 points. So I'm going to select the center of the earth and, the center of the sun and the center of the earth. Now don't forget, come back over here and get control of your cursor again. So the first question I'm going to ask you, this line contains the sun-earth ray, which is the line that goes, the imaginary line that goes from the center of the sun to the center of the earth. So your first question is going to be, what is the equation of this line, given that this angle from the x-axis up to that line is our angle orbit. So what is the equation of this line? Then the second thing we're going to do is to draw a perpendicular line that passes through the center of the earth and is perpendicular to the Earth-Sun ray. And there's this line. And then don't forget to come back. Now these are just temporary for us. But this line is the sun-earth ray extended from eternity on both sides to infinity on both sides. And this line, especially the part that passes through the earth, is what? Well, that is the terminator. So I want you to find the equation of this line, and after that we'll go on to the next session. So to recap, we want you to find the equations of these two black lines. This section of this line is the terminator, and this section of this black line is the sun-earth ray. So we'll see you next time when we use these answers to do our terminator construction. See you then.